Happy bees, healthy honey. Today's project, we are building a cold frame. As you can see, I've already put the sides on. This is, again, recycled wood from pallets. And I've already pre-measured my different pieces. And I've already screwed on. I've got a 2x4 on the inside. I'll show you that on the other end. And this really doesn't need to be elaborate. It doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to be functional. And to that end, this will do. It'll get my plants out in the garden quicker.
Personally, I think it's satisfying drilling screws into wood.
Very much. Seeing the finished product, the finished project, is always one of my favorite parts. All right. So you've got the 2x4, you've got the pallet. You've got what was a pallet. I shouldn't say it's a pallet anymore.
I probably shouldn't talk.
And that's going to give me a gap that I don't want.
So what does it do?
All right, so I'm gonna have to trim one of these boards a little bit. What does a cold frame do?
Yeah.
It's a great question. So, a cold frame allows you to plant when it's still colder outside, and
That's rather
because the sun comes through the glass and heats up, it'll heat up the soil quicker. All right, we've got our board. We cut to angle, and we're just getting ready to put it in. And then this cold frame will be ready for dirt and seedlings. All right, and this part is just a window, just sitting on top of it. Nothing fancy, nothing special.
Should put a hinge on it.
If we wanted, we could definitely put a hinge on it. It would definitely make it better.
And easier.
And easier. But this is just supposed to be simple, fast,
And efficient.
and free. So there you have it. Our second cold frame. Willow Brook Apiaries, happy bees, healthy honey, happy homesteading.